Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best fuel-resistant sealant is probably one of the most critical components in environments where fuels and oils are present. This video dives deep into the world of fuel-resistant sealants, exploring their essential role in maintaining the integrity of various systems. We'll cover everything from the different types available to their specific applications, ensuring you have all the information needed to make the right choice for your needs and keep things running smoothly. Number 5. PER-15 Fuel Tank Sealer, 8 fluid ounces. Are you tired of rust and leaks in your fuel tank? This product is designed to solve that problem. It effectively stops and prevents rust, ensuring your tank's longevity. This sealer is resistant to all fuels, alcohols, and additives. This means it can handle whatever you put in your tank. It provides a reliable seal, no matter the fuel type. This product is specifically designed for metal fuel tanks. It creates a non-porous seal, protecting the inside of your tank. It's the perfect solution for restoring and protecting your fuel system. The sealant creates a non-porous barrier. This prevents fuel from seeping through and causing further damage. It ensures a tight seal, keeping your fuel where it belongs. Rust can be a major problem in fuel tanks, but this product stops it. It also prevents future rust formation. It's a proactive solution for maintaining your fuel system. This product is designed for use inside fuel tanks. It coats the interior surfaces, providing a protective layer. It's easy to apply and ensures long-lasting protection. What we like. This sealant is designed to stop rust and corrosion. It is also resistant to all fuels, alcohols, and additives. If you have a metal fuel tank that's showing signs of rust or leaks, this is the product for you. What people say. This stuff is amazing. You literally just pour it into your tank, and swish it about. Its sealed holes a 3/16 drill bit could have easily fit, way cheaper than a new tank, and leaves a perfect film in the tank. Number 4. Super Glue Pro Seal N62020 Gas Tank Repair. Are you tired of dealing with gas tank or radiator leaks? This product offers an instant solution. It's designed to quickly and effectively repair those issues. This compact strip is all you need for a quick fix. It's small but powerful, providing a reliable seal for your vehicle. Applying this putty is incredibly simple. You don't need any special tools or skills, it's designed for ease of use. This product doesn't just offer a temporary fix, it provides a permanent seal. It's designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. Once applied, it hardens to a steel-like consistency. This ensures a durable and long-lasting repair, giving you peace of mind. What we like. This product offers instant gas tank and radiator repair. The putty is very easy to use. If you are looking for a quick and permanent solution for cracks or split seams, then you should consider this. What people say. It works. Just go straight to this. Be sure to clean the area real good with a wire brush. It shut down a full big crack completely. It is rock solid. This product is definitely more like a solid putty consistency and immediately stopped 2 streaming leaks on my pickup's gas tank. I had tried another Weld type purpose-made epoxy that just let the fuel seep through it and didn't work. This one worked. Number 3. Weld 8217 TankWeld Gas Tank Repair. Introducing TankWeld, a hand-mixable epoxy putty. It's steel-reinforced and non-rusting. This product is designed to quickly repair or rebuild anything made of metal. This is great for gas tanks, radiators, and lawn equipment. It's also suitable for water tanks and all metals. It's a versatile solution for your repair needs. It sets in just 5 minutes and fully cures in an hour. Once cured, it has a tensile strength of 900 psi, ensuring a strong and lasting repair. Once cured, it can be drilled, tapped, machined, ground, filed, and painted. It can also withstand temperatures up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This gives you a lot of flexibility. Weld is proudly made in the USA. You can trust the quality and reliability of this product for all your metal repair needs. What we like. This is a hand-mixable, steel-reinforced epoxy putty. It can withstand temperatures up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. If you like a durable and versatile solution for repairing metal components, then you should consider this. What people say. Worked great to patch a small leak on my 8N Ford tractor metal tank. Had a dent in my motorcycle tank. Instead of pulling the dent, I used this putty to fill it. It worked very well. Once I shaped it and painted it, you couldn't even tell there was a dent. Good stuff. Will buy again if I need it. Had a hole in my Tomos A35 fuel tank. Size of the hole was around 3 mm. After letting it cure for 2 hours and adding fuel to tank, it is not leaking anymore. Number 2. Permatex 80015 Form-A-Gasket Number 2 Sealant. Introducing Permatex 80015 Form-A-Gasket Number 2 Sealant. This product is a reliable solution for various sealing needs. It is designed to provide a secure and long-lasting seal. This sealant is slow-drying and non-hardening, ensuring flexibility and ease of use. It is perfect for applications where easy disassembly is required. The product maintains its sealing properties over time. It is approved for use in both aviation and automotive applications, demonstrating its versatility and reliability. This makes it a great choice for a wide range of projects. This is designed for dressing and sealing cut gaskets on flexible and stamped parts. It ensures a tight seal, preventing leaks and maintaining optimal performance. The product is easy to apply and provides excellent results. It resists gasoline, oil, and grease, making it ideal for harsh environments. This ensures that the seal remains intact and effective. It is a durable and dependable choice for your sealing needs. It can withstand temperatures ranging from -65°F to 400°F. This wide temperature range makes it suitable for various applications. It ensures reliable performance under extreme conditions. It is suggested for use on valve cover gaskets and oil pan gaskets. This product is a great choice for these applications. It provides a secure and reliable seal, preventing leaks. What we like. This is a slow-drying, non-hardening sealant. It is approved for use in both aviation and automotive applications. If you are looking for a sealant that resists gasoline, oil, and grease and allows for easy disassembly, then you should consider this. What people say. Great for sealing gasket surfaces. Needed this product to hold the gasket in the groove, so it would not fall out due to gravity. Worked perfectly. A minimal amount did the job and it did not get all over the place. This particular product is a terrific all-around gasket sealer. It resists almost every automotive household chemical and does not dry rock hard. Number 1. Permatex 85420 Permashield Fuel Resistant Gasket Dressing. This is Permatex 85420, a fuel-resistant gasket dressing and sealant. It's designed to provide a reliable seal against gasoline and other automotive fluids. This product ensures your engine stays protected. The sealant remains flexible even under high temperatures. It can withstand rapid temperature changes, ensuring a lasting seal. This feature makes it ideal for demanding engine environments. This product allows for repeated disassembly and reassembly. It's perfect for metal-to-metal applications where you need to access components. This feature saves time and effort. It's versatile and vibration-resistant, with a tacky formula. This allows for unlimited assembly time, giving you flexibility during installation. You can be sure it will stay in place. The product effectively seals surface imperfections. It ensures a tight seal, preventing leaks and maintaining optimal performance. It's a reliable solution for various automotive applications. What we like. This sealant is resistant to gasoline and all other automotive fluids. It remains flexible even at high temperatures and withstands rapid temperature changes. If you like a sealant that allows for repeated disassembly and is vibration resistant, then you should consider this. What people say. Great and reputable brand. This product worked great and as advertised. I had a gasoline leak in my boat fuel tank at the fuel sensing unit despite being new with a new gasket. Gasoline fumes in a boat can be deadly, so I bought the fuel-specific Permatex to resolve that issue. I was surprised to see how liquid this gasket sealant was. I was expecting more of a caulk-like substance like the other Permatex gasket sealant I used in the past. I followed the instructions and thoroughly cleaned both the tank surface and the underneath of the sensing unit, let it dry a few minutes and reinstalled the sensing unit. It seems to work, the strong gasoline smell is gone. The real test will be taking the boat out and see how the repair holds up when the waves move the boat around. We'll do a follow-up afterwards. Ended up using it for some other work too, and I'm happy with it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.